All right, YouTube got a box from Soul Function. They make a lot of chassis and vehicle specific bracing. I kind of looked at their website and took some interest in a trunk brace they had. Looks like it's functional and you don't really lose your trunk space or have to cut your OEM panels just to make it fit like I've seen some other brands. So yeah, let's take a look. All right, so kind of already opened the box there. It looks like it's got a little bit of wrapping. All right. Let's see what's in here. It's the brace itself. We'll cut that open in a second. Let's see what else they have in here. All right, so C-pillar support bar. That's what I ordered. And once again, there's Soul Function. All right. Yeah, all right, so just a sheet. All right. So, and luck would have it, 2 decals. That's good. They sent 2. Usually they send 1 and you're like, dude, come on. All right, so let's cut this open. I'm on my iPhone, so bear with me. Let's cut this bad boy open. All right. So once again, this is the C-pillar support bar. Fits 14 up Subaru WRX and WRX STI. I've got a 16 Hyper Blue STI. It's kind of her right there sitting in the garage. Let's open this up. All right. So looks like it's got some hardware with it. Okay. I'll crack that open in a second, but let's get to the main item here. You can see that distinctive teal color that they have with it. Slide this out of the bubble wrap. Bam! All right. So let me flip it around. All right, so there it is. Soul Function, looking pristine in that teal. It's not necessarily a hyper blue color. You can see it's a little darker, but I'll make it work. And it goes in the trunk, so not many people will see it. You can kind of tell it's going to mount right up here and here on both sides of the inner trunk there. I'll try to do an install video later on. Just kind of wanted to unbox it at least. And then this looks to be hardware. Let's give that a slice. All right. Okay, and comes with 2 of these brackets, so these will slide in the kind of in the trunk space here. Let me open this bad boy up. Let's see if I have my key on me. No? Let's go up to the front. All right. All right, so here's the trunk. As you can see, this should mount right up here. Somewhere in this space, you'll slide these brackets in, and then the brace will install against the threaded ends of this hardware. So yeah, it kind of sits up high, out of the way. So it shouldn't affect anything. That, or actually it might actually go back here closer to the seat. So sorry for that. Lighting's kind of crappy here, but yeah, it actually sits back here along this frame piece in the trunk. All right, so you can kind of see holes in the bracing there. So we'll just feed that bracket in through there, and it follows the curvature of the kind of the trunk frame back here. Yeah, so all right, install video to follow. Just kind of wanted to show you what Soul Function includes in their C-pillar box. All right.